Welcome to our lesson about advanced texture mapping. In our previous lesson, we learned that in order to use the mapping options, we need to work with a 2D material. In the previous lesson, I also tried to apply a material called polished rosewood end grain to the spherical area of my model, and it didn't really work. Let's see how we can fix this. Now, if you're not sure which material applies to which feature, just select it and it will highlight in the graphic area. You can also fully expand the tree to follow the branch navigation. Let's right-click, Edit, and let's use rosewood again. I'll try the material that I used previously and unsuccessfully, polished rosewood end grain. Now let's go to the Advanced tab and Mapping. Under Type, we can select Spherical, Surface, Projection, Cylindrical, and Automatic. For this example, I'm going to use Projection. Under the Size and Orientation section, the Fixed Aspect Ratio box is checked. Let's increase the size. And as you see, the texture looks better automatically. We're able to rotate the texture as well, and this will also improve the appearance here. Let's see how some of the other options work. Surface, Sphere. Here's a cylindrical mapping type. And lastly, Automatic. In our case, the best option was Projection, so let's restore that. And let's click OK. Let's render our image now. And this concludes our lesson about advanced texture mapping.